This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Eric Butler. Better than new villa located in Spring Mills subdivision. This home is just 7 months young and was built with many upgrades. It is the 3 bedrooms, 3 bath, 2 car garage Danielle model. Downstairs is a very open floor plan with the kitchen, dining room, and great room all occupying the same space. The kitchen has upgraded countertops and cabinets, a tile backsplash, upgraded appliances, as well as a food pantry. The primary bedroom has a ceiling fan, 2 walk-in closets and private bath with a double vanity and walk-in shower. There is a second bedroom located on the main level as well as a full bathroom. Oak stairs lead you upstairs where you will find a second primary bedroom with ceiling fan, full bathroom and a walk-in closet. Luxury vinyl plank flooring flows throughout the entire house. The rear porch has been extended, part of it is screened in with a ceiling fan, and part of it has been left exposed. The view directly behind the home is nothing but a stone wall and trees. This home does not back up to other homes. Other upgrades include cellular shades, add-on blinds on the rear door, and upgraded bathroom vanities and faucets. See documents for added features. Builder warranty transfers. Why wait for your home to be built when this one is ready to go? See disclosures for a full list of upgrades. For more information,